Dipali Verma and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna create a look that will be so shiny and glowy, and for my eyes I am gonna do something with brown and golden, and also I will highlight inner corners of my eyes, and I will also apply heavy coat of mascara onto my eyelashes. So let's start with the base. Here I am applying a layer of foundation on my face, and then I'm gonna blend it with this beauty blender. Next, I am applying concealer just to hide my dark circles and blending it with my fingers. And then I'm setting it with loose powder so that it will not crease all day long and will stay for as long as I want. Now I'm gonna contouring. I'm gonna contour my cheekbones, my nose, and yes, I'm not gonna contour my jawline because I have well-defined jawline and I don't have double chin. I do my makeup, I never forget contouring because I love contouring because it just gives my face a well-defined shape and it also enhances my features. And now I am applying blusher onto my cheeks. eye makeup. So first I'm gonna apply brown shade, and this brown should be totally matte. It should not be like shimmery, because it will contour my eyes, so it should be matte. Next, I am applying golden on my eyelid area. And applying same matte brown on my lower lash line. I'm highlighting inner corners of my eyes just to make my eyes look more open up. Now I'm gonna apply eyeliner just to define my eye shape, and I will apply wing liner here. Now my favorite mascara. I'm applying it just to give my lashes a heavy volume effect, as every girl wants. And then I'm also highlighting my brow bone with the same highlighter. And most importantly, how can I forget my eyebrows? It is the most important part that every girl should do while doing her makeup. So that is, yes, nothing else, my eyebrows. Now I'm applying a nude shade of lip color on my lips. I'm trying it for first time. I've never used it. So let's see how it looks. As you can see, it is not looking good on my face, so I'm gonna convert it and I'm gonna change it with my pink shade. That is my all-time favorite. Now I'm applying highlighter. Oh my god, it is looking amazing. It is looking so shiny. I hope you all can see. So at the end, all I want to say is I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and do like and subscribe my channel and keep learning. And also don't forget to tell me about your opinions through your comments. And if you want, you can tell me in my next video what do you want to learn. And you can also share it with your friends. Bye bye.